Hey everyone, welcome to Neural Tech. So, in this video, we're going to solve a real Databricks certification exam question, step by step. But more importantly, we'll solve it the same way you should think inside the exam hall. All right, let's slow down and start by reading the question carefully, because Databricks certification is not about memorizing syntax. It's about understanding what is actually being asked. Now, here's the scenario. A data engineer needs to determine whether to use the built-in Databricks notebook versioning or version their project using Databricks Repos. Then the question asks, which of the following is an advantage of using Databricks Repos over Databricks notebook versioning? Okay, pause here. This question is not asking what repos are, and it's not asking what notebook versioning is. It's asking one thing only. What extra capability does Databricks Repos provide that notebook versioning does not? That comparison should immediately click in your mind. Notebook versioning gives you basic version history. Databricks Repos is Git-based version control. That's enough context. Now, let's evaluate the options, one by one, exactly like you should do in the exam. Option A, Databricks Repos, automatically saves development progress. This sounds useful. But wait, Databricks notebooks already do this. They automatically save versions as you work. So, this is not unique to repos. Option A, eliminated. Option B, Databricks Repos supports the use of multiple branches. Okay, now this is important. Branching is a Git feature. Because Databricks Repos integrates with Git providers, you can create branches, work on features separately, fix bugs without touching main code, and merge everything safely later. Notebook versioning does not support branching. This is a major advantage, especially for team collaboration. So, keep this option in your head. Option C. Databricks Repos allows users to revert to previous versions of a notebook, but you can already do this with notebook version history. So reverting versions is not exclusive to repos. Option C, eliminated. Option D, Databricks Repos provides the ability to comment on specific changes. This sounds like GitHub, but here's the catch. Databricks Repos itself does not provide inline commenting. That happens in GitHub, GitLab, or Azure DevOps, not inside Databricks. Option D, eliminated. Option E, Databricks Repos is wholly housed within the Databricks Lakehouse platform. Nope. Databricks Repos relies on external Git repositories, so it's not fully contained inside the Lakehouse. Option E, eliminated. All right, let's wrap this up. After evaluating every option, the correct answer is Option B, Databricks Repos supports the use of multiple branches. Now, this part is very important. Exam takeaway. For Databricks exams, remember this simple pattern. Notebook versioning, basic history, repos, Git features. And the Git feature they love testing? Branches. So if you see a question comparing repos and notebook versioning, your brain should immediately say branches. If this explanation helped you understand the logic and not just memorize the answer, like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next Databricks certification question breakdown.